Good day, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Noemi Mendoza Platilla from Carigara, Philippines, married, 39 years of age. I have two children, ages 14 years old boy and 17 years old boy. As a nanny, I have 2 years and 9 months experience in Kuwait. In just one employer, I serve 4 members of the family. The ages of the children are 6.5 years old boy and 9 years old boy. As a nanny, my duties and responsibilities are taking care of the children, preparing their breakfast in the morning, putting their food in their lunchbox, sending and picking up them from school. We go out also if they have activities with the children. We play also with the children. And we help also doing their assignments and their projects. As a nanny, I do household chores also, like as deeply cleaning, washing and ironing clothes, washing dishes, and I have also pet, and it's a cat. I do cooking and marketing also. To my future employer, if you hired me, I promise that I will do my duties and responsibilities as a nanny. I am a kind of nanny which is kind, flexible, hardworking, trustworthy, and cheerful. To my future employer, thank you for watching this video of mine. God bless.